Hi friends, today we are going to learn less than, greater than, equal to sign for LKG to first standard kids. Okay, so this is the less than sign, this is the greater than sign, this is equal to sign. Okay, before going to this we are going to learn two digits less than equal, means we have to compare two digits today. Okay, before going that we'll learn the base first, because 0 to 10 is the base, which is very important to learn. See, 0 is smaller than 1, 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, 3 is smaller than 4, 4 is smaller than 5, 5 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 7, 7 is smaller than 8, 8 is smaller than 9, and 9 is smaller than 1, 0. So this, and 10 is bigger than 9, 9 is bigger than 8, 8 is bigger than 7, 7 is bigger than 6, 6 is bigger than 5, 5 is bigger than 4, 4 is bigger than 3, 3 is bigger than 2, 2 is bigger than 1, 1 is bigger than 0. This base is very important. The kid should know to compare from 0 to 1, 0, 10. Between them, between these numbers only, the kid must know the base to compare this all. From 1 to 10, he should know exactly. If suppose, for example, if you ask the child 3 and 7, the child should know to compare, like which is great, 3 is greater than 7 or lesser than 7. 3 is greater than 7 or lesser than 7, that the kid should know to compare. Now first example, the child must know the difference between one digit number and the two digit number. You ask the child which number is this, 6 number, and another number 1, 6, 16. You make a habit of child to first read the number 6 and 1, 6, 16. You tell your child, you explain your child, this is one digit number and this is two digit number. So one digit number is less than two digit number. Another example is, read this number 1, 5, 15. The next number is 1, 5, 15. So these two numbers are same. Here the equal to sign will come. The third example is there, 9, 3, 93. This also is 9, 3, 93. The right side number also is 9, 3, 93. The left side number is 9, 3, 93. Here both the numbers are same. So the equal to sign will come here. Now we'll go to the next step. This is means we have to make a practice of first these numbers, then we'll go for the next step. First practice for such type of examples. That's tell your child to read the number 8, 6, 86. Left side number 6, 8, 68. Now we make a child to underline the first number. Which is the first number now? 8 is first number here, 6 is first number here. The first number will compare towards the right side number, first number. Now we'll compare first number from the left side to the right side of the first number. Now ask your child to compare, is 8 bigger than 6 or less than, means smaller than 6. 8 is bigger than 6. Here the greater than equal to sign will come. Now tell your child, your child to read the number now. 8 is bigger than 6, means greater than sign will come here. Now read the number 8, 6, 86, 6, 8, 68. So 8, 6 is greater than 68. This practice will go on till the child exactly know the concept, like 86 is greater than 68. He will visually recall and immediately answer like 86, means that will sit in his mind. 86 is greater than 6816. If a child knows directly where like if he directly know to compare, like 86 is greater than 86 is greater than 68, means greater than, if he really knows the difference and compare which is biggest and which is smallest for this two digit number, then he can directly place this. And if he doesn't know, then this concept you have to use, comparing the first number will compare to the second first number of the right side. Means what will happen, by using this method, the child will know like 86 is greater than 68. Now we'll go for the next example, like 2, 6, 26, 3, 7, 37. Underline the first number and tell the child to underline the first number. Which is first number here? Now underline the first number. Now you compare the first number of the right side of the first number. Now 2 and 3. Is 2 bigger than 3 or smaller than 3? 2 is smaller than 3. So less than sign will come here. So read the number now. 2, 6, 26 is less than 3, 7, 37. Third example. 4, 7, 47. 6, 7, 67. Now here is what? These numbers are same. The second numbers are same. But there is no difference. We have to compare the first number. The first numbers are different. So read the first number 4 and 6. Now tell your child to compare. Is 4 be smaller than 6 or bigger than 6? 4 is smaller than 6. So the less than sign will come here. Now read the number 4, 7, 47 is smaller than 6, 7, 67. 4, 7 is smaller than 6, 7, 67. Now we will take the another number. 2, 0 and 3, 0. These two numbers are same. Now compare the first number. Is 2 smaller than 3 or bigger than 3? 2 is smaller than 3. So less than sign will come here. Now next step. Next, this is the another type of example wherein the first numbers are same. Now read the number 2, 7, 27. Ask your child to read the number 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28. Now the child will start get confused now. Before I used to underline the first number and compare both the numbers. Now both the numbers are same. But what sign will come here? Equal to sign will not come here. So what you have to do? You have to tell your child, now if such type of example comes, we must not compare the first numbers. Means if first numbers are same, we must not compare the first numbers. We have to compare the second number. Underline the second number. Now you compare the second number with the right side of the second number. 7. 7 is greater than 8 or less than 8. 7 is bigger than 8 or smaller than 8. 7 is smaller than 8. So less than sign will come here. Now next example. 9, 2, 92. 9, 0, 90. Now first number is same. So now what we have to do? We have to compare the second number. Now second number is what now? 2 and 0. Now you compare the 2. Is 2 smaller than 0 or bigger than 0? 2 is bigger than 0. So the greater than sign will come here. Now read the number 9, 2, 92, 9, 0, 90. 9, 2, 92 is greater than 9, 0, 90. See, 90, 9, 1, 91, 9, 2, 92. So the number 9, 0, 92, 90, 9, 0, 90, 9, 0, 90 is left side of the 9 to 92. So whatever numbers come towards the left side, they are always smallest, and whatever number comes towards the right side is always biggest. So 9, 0, 90 is smaller than 9, 1, 91. 9, 1, 91 is smaller than 9, 2, 92. So 9, 2 is greater than 9, 0. If you go on explaining, number it will become bigger. So that's why the base is very important to understand. If the child understands this base and the numbers are fixed in his mind, means this number 2 is smaller than 3 and 9 is bigger than 8. If this concept is fixed in his mind, then it will become easiest for the child to compare the 2-digit number quickly and faster. He doesn't need to think like wait and think. 86, 87, 88, 68, 61, 62, 63, 60, then 71, 72, 73. There is no, means like the child doesn't need to go for this lengthy process now. Think now, 86, there is no need to go backward. 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 86. There is no need to count and think, go on thinking or counting numbers. First you give such examples for the practice. Once the child get practice with comparing the first digit, then you give examples for the second digit. Means first digit same numbers and second digit different number. Then you give a jumbled numbers so that he can, for example, 9, 2 and 9 0, and another is 8 6 6 8, means like jumbled numbers. First, your first two numbers are same and this is different. These two numbers are different. Okay, here the two different numbers are different. Third example you can give, like second numbers are same. These three different numbers, like three different examples, like where first numbers are same, second this here two numbers are different, second numbers are same, another thing both the numbers same. For the such four type of examples you can give jumble, so the child doesn't get mixed up and confused once it is practice. Practice makes man perfect.